Did you know that turnips, a humble root vegetable, have nourished humanity for centuries with their unique flavors and health benefits? Hello and welcome to our Nutrition Daily Tips channel, your nutrition coach for mindful eating and nutritional insights. Today, we will guide you through the fantastic world of turnips and how this underrated vegetable can be a game changer for your health and taste buds. Turnips, Brassica rapa, are a root vegetable and member of the cruciferous family. It has been cultivated for over 4,000 years in ancient Greece and Rome. They were a staple food in Europe during the Middle Ages and were introduced to the Americas by early European settlers. This root vegetable has anti-tumor effects thanks to isothiocyanates and glucosinolates. It is also rich in antioxidants like phenols and flavonoids, lutein that protect against harmful microbes, liver disease, and diabetes. Arvalexin, another beneficial component in this vegetable, reduces inflammation and decreases high blood pressure and cholesterol. Both their roots and leaves, also known as turnip greens, are safe to eat and tasty. First, let's explore the diverse world of turnips. White turnips, Brassica rapa. White turnips are the most common type, characterized by white skin and purple-tinged tops. They have a mild, slightly sweet flavor and a crisp texture. Good source of vitamin C supporting immune health and skin integrity. Ideal for roasting, boiling, or steaming. Golden turnips, Brassica mapus. Golden or yellow turnips are larger and sturdier with golden hue slash. They have a richer, sweeter taste than white turnips. Richer in antioxidants compared to white turnip, combat oxidative stress. High beta-carotene content supports eye health and immune function. Ideal for roasting or glazing due to their natural sugars and flavorful addition to casseroles. Hakurei turnips. Hakurei turnips are known for their smooth white skin. They have a sweet, slightly fruity flavor and crisp, tender texture. High in vitamin C and folate. Folate is essential for cell growth and metabolism. Ideal in raw, pickled, or lightly cooked to maintain their delicate flavor. Rutabagas turnips, sweet. A cross between a cabbage and a turnip, rutabagas are larger with tough, lax-coated skin. They have a sweet yet earthy flavor, more intense than regular turnips. Higher vitamin C and fiber concentration than most other varieties protects immune health, digestion, and heart health. Ideal for roasted, mashed, or added to hearty stews. Their dense texture holds up well to longer cooking times. Scarlet turnips. Scarlet turnips are notable for their vibrant red-purple skin. They have a zesty, slightly peppery taste, adding flavor punch. High in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties and support heart health. Ideal in raw preparations like salads or slaws to add color. How do you enjoy turnips in your daily diet? And what are your favorite turnip recipes? Let us know in the comments. Remember, this channel is about engaging with you and sharing our passion for health and nutrition. If you enjoy this video, show us love by hitting the like button. Now let's delve into turnip's nutritional value. Turnip is a root vegetable that is low in calories, but rich in vitamins and minerals. A 1-cup serving of cubed raw turnips contains 36 calories, 8 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, and 1 gram of protein. It's an excellent daily value source of vitamin C, 30%, folate, 5%, phosphorus, 3%, and calcium, 3%. Turnip leaves are even more nutrient-dense. It is better absorbed when eaten with fats. A 1-cup serving of turnip grains provides 18 calories, 4 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber. It's an excellent daily value source of vitamin K, 115%, vitamin C, 37%, vitamin A, 35%, folate, 27%, and calcium, 8%. Anti-cancer properties. Turnips are rich in glucosinolates, sulfur-based phytochemicals, and isothiocyanates. These compounds' anti-cancer properties help reduce oxidative stress and prevent cancer development. The higher intake of glucosinolates is associated with reduced risks of various cancers, including ovary, colon, bladder, lung, prostate, and breast cancers. Anti-inflammatory effects. Turnip compounds such as indolase and isothiocyanates have anti-inflammatory properties that prevent chronic diseases like arthritis and heart disease. Arvalexin, an indole found in turnips, can also reduce colon cell inflammation. Antibacterial effects. Isothiocyanate compounds have exhibited antimicrobial activity against food-borne pathogens and inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria. These isothiocyanates can also fight against bacteria such as E. coli and S. aureus, even those resistant to antibiotics. Blood sugar control. Turnips and turnip greens possess anti-diabetic properties. Additionally, turnip extract can alleviate metabolic disorders associated with diabetes, such as high cholesterol and triglyceride levels, by regulating glucose levels and increasing the insulin-glucagon ratio. Respiratory Health. Turnips, vitamin A, anthocyanins, and sulfur compounds like glucosinolates protect respirator Y health by preventing infections and pollutants. Bone Health. Glucosinolates in turnip aid in bone formation. Vitamin K reduces the risk of fractures, promotes calcium absorption, and increases bone density. Eye health. Turnips are rich in vitamin A and lutein, essential eye health nutrients. It keeps your vision healthy and can prevent related ailments like cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration. Fertility and pregnancy. Turnip greens are a good source of both folic acid and iron. These are essential for women during pregnancy. It ensures proper cellular health and mitochondrial function. Turnip consumption, potential side effects. While turnips are generally healthy and nutritious, moderation is advisable. Eating turnips in excess can cause bloating, gas, and stomach pain due to their high fiber and raffinose content. Glucosinolates and isothiocyanates in turnips have a goitrogenic activity that may interact with the thyroid hormone. Individuals with thyroid issues may need to consult their doctor before consuming turnips. How to grow turnips. Planting. Sow seeds in early spring or late summer for a fall harvest. They prefer well-draining, fertile soil and full sun to partial shade. Spacing. Space seeds or seedlings about 4-6 inches apart. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Harvesting. Turnips are usually ready to harvest in 1 to 2 months, depending on the variety. They should be firm and the size of a tennis ball for the best flavor. In summary, turnips offer a range of health benefits, including potential anti-cancer properties, blood sugar regulation, anti-inflammatory effects, antibacterial capabilities, and respiratory health. These benefits make turnips a valuable addition to a balanced and healthy diet. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the world of nutritious turnips and want more insights into healthy eating, hit the subscribe button. Share this video with friends and family who'd love to learn more about the wonders of turnips. Thanks for joining us on the Turnip Adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting content on health and nutrition. Until next time, keep eating healthy and curious about your food choices.